Etna in the winter is just breathtakingly magical, and get ready for a gastronomical tour that will leave you salivating. I promise you that.
The transitional period between winter and the beginning of spring really is something to behold, Esther. It's just amazing here right now.
Buongiorno on this March 2nd. It's 55, 60 under the sun, but then there's a little bit of wind, so there's that. We're going to do an Etna day today with this beautiful family from New York. They're from Long Island. They're not Sicilian, and they wanted to come to Sicily, so I'm taking them around. She's Italian, from up north, and he's Israeli, and they have a beautiful boy, Chris, and Stephen, who's not here. And of course, we're eating our way through Sicily and seeing all the sights. We've gone to Ortigia, and today is Etna. So I'm going to show you a little bit of highlights of our visit and also talk to them a little bit about why they came to Sicily. You know why Sicily, but for them, why Sicily? Listen to this. And it's quite spectacular. That is breathtaking. March 2nd, 2023, and this is what Etna looks like. I feel like I'm back in Boston. We are at Rifugio Sapienza in Nicolosi, and people can walk around the craters or take a cable car up or just sit at a cafe and enjoy yourself looking at this beautiful scenery, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Every time I come up to Etna, there's something different. Different seasons, different colors. But coming up here in the winter is just jaw-dropping. The white and black, the juxtaposition of the colors. But you just have to be careful and make sure you check the weather to make sure it's not snowing or raining up here, because that can be tough to deal with. And straight ahead is Catania, down there. I haven't seen a snowbed this high in years. Look at that kid, so cute. Maybe he's trying to sled. Chris just did the crater and froze his little buttocks off. What has been some of your favorite experiences so far in Sicily?
Sicily, favorite experience? I'd say going to the Italian meat market, to be honest. You get the whole experience of a family-oriented deli. I think going down by the water, seeing the paintings on the boat was pretty cool. And even coming up here, you see the whole mountain range of Etna. It's definitely a breathtaking experience.
5 minutes later, and it's wicked windy. Drop down to about 30 degrees. I'm going inside. Basta. Professional eating. Must love it here. There's the Trinacria, there's artichokes. Typical scenes here of people picking the fruits, the vegetables.
So for you to learn all this.
You guys are too funny. I don't know.
That's why we don't bring our other son. He's boring. He's boring.
Oh, I have this on camera. Oh.
Are you getting Vina, Chris?
Vina?
Oh, those artichokes. He says he wants to get a picture of him too if you want. Look at that.
Nice smile.
Where are you from?
New York.
Yeah,
New York.
New York.
Sì,
I clienti anche da New York. Vengono a comprare carciofi arrostiti.
Here, they're coming to buy roasted chestnuts. No, roasted artichokes. They're coming.
The hot dogs.
Sempre numero uno.
Numero uno. E tu come ti chiami? Davide?
Davide. Davide Cacocciolai.
Bellissimo.
6 milioni di follower lui.
6 milioni.
Lui sì.
6 million followers.
Wow. Che posto.
TikTok. It's recording them making the panini. All the locals come here. You guys are the only tourists he's seen since the last time I brought tourists in here. Sta facendo prosciutto e poi
Prosciutto crudo, stagionato 3 anni, 36 mesi.
3 years. Perfetto. Guarda.
Bravo.
Guarda, vediamo.
Quanto deve essere questo pezzo? Questo è un olive. Like an olive.
Oh, he's gonna put sun-dried tomatoes. Buono. Making sure it's all perfetto. Oh, look, he's salivating.
Mozzarella di bufala campagna.
Sandwich. Wow.
That's a big.
What do you think? You ready for it?
Oh, I'm ready.
Fabulosa.
Fabuloso.
Fabulosa. I make the pizza rustica. My
Yeah.
mother used to call it pizza gana. That's the meat pie. Super sad, prosciutto, mozzarella, regatta, eggs. And then I make the Italian Easter bread. And then I sometimes make the Italian cheesecake with the regatta cheesecake.
Oh, look, he's making us a little taste. A little
That's
taste.
A taste?
That's a taste. There's no snacks in Sicily. What's the? Oh my God! So he put a sliced orange peel on it. That's gonna be something special. Okay, who's gonna taste one? Let's.
Dad, that's yours first, my guy.
Grazie.
Grazie a voi. Pane alle noci, mozzarella di bufala e arancia candita a fettine.
Candied oranges.
Nervous.
Do you eat it with the orange?
You've got
No,
the
you need the orange.
you've got the sweet.
Yeah.
The save.
Il tuo panino.
Oh.
Then you get the nuts.
Prego.
Mm-hmm.
Poi
And you,
Deliciosa.
what do you think?
Delicious.
Yeah. Did you get the walnut? After you chew, then you get the walnut.
Andrea.
This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see.
Prego.
Oh, local breads. Grazie ragazzi, buon lavoro. Ciao.
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 Grazie a voi.
What do you think of this place, huh?
Amazing.
Have you seen anything like this before?
Nothing like this. This is special.
He was so happy to see himself on the video, he wants to do another one. All right, siamo pronti.
Ma il sardino anche loro devono venire. Lui deve
Okay,
dire che-
where are you
Allora, io
from?
fatto buongiorno signore, mi vengono a trovare questi amici, tu devi dire di dove sei.
New York.
Ora tu da New York?
New York.
Ah, e digli a lui, da New York sei venuto a trovare chi? A Jaffi per Wango.
He's speaking Sicilian. I think you
Puoi
ripeto.
dire io, come veniste a trovare?
Why are you here?
Yeah,
For the prosciutto.
mi ha insegnato a parlare l'inglese perché non sa parlare. Comunque sto amico mi viene a trovare da New York.
He came from New York to find just him and his store. Poi?
Ci vuole cane in per preparare.
You have to learn how to speak Sicilian.
Facci assaggiare di fragola di marsala, assaggia.
He
E mi
wants you
dici
to-
com'è, prego, assaggia.
And tell him how it is.
Mangia, dimmi com'è, qua. Anda a affrontare, anda a affrontare. Mangia. Dici com'è.
Bravissimo.
Grazie a questi amici miei che mi hanno trovato da
Thank you to my
America.
new friends from America.
Grazie. Delicious.
Delicious.
Comunque, che non mi insegnare a parlare l'inglese perché non capi niente.
He wants to learn English. He doesn't understand. I'm ready for you.
You ready?
What a feast we're having. What do you think?
That's good.
And that's good, he says. Pasta con piselli. And how are the artichokes? This is what you call a typical Sicilian lunch in Nicolosi after we just froze our little buttocks off on Etna. Ching ching!
Earn the food.
And to finish off the Etna day, we're at the Etna vineyard. This is what it looks like in March. This is what happens you're with us, double fisting it. It's not even saying anything. Come on, that's not how you drink wine. You don't gulp it. Oh my God, can you please talk to your son?
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
All right, so why are these guys here in Sicily?
Because it's my 60th birthday celebration, and I wanted to come to the most special place on earth, Sicily, where the people are wonderful to deal with, and the food is delicioso.
I didn't tell him to say this. I swear to God, I didn't. That's your dad.
Yeah, he's strange.
You're not Sicilian.
No.
What did you think of Sicily?
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. We loved exploring the little streets. The driving was a little tough, but I was in the back, so it worked out okay. But so many different. You saw the mountains, you saw the ocean. Very nice. The churches are beautiful. We're having a good time.
What'd you think? What was your favorite part besides eating?
Favorite part other than eating? That's tough. I was just seeing how the different culture than what we're used to. Yeah.
What advice would you have for people coming for the first time who may be traveling to Sicily?
I think having a car is actually a good thing. You get to explore differently. Having somebody who maybe, like we had with you, for the day to show us individual things that we may miss is an added plus. I think take your time, try to absorb as much as you can, and just enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment. I love that.
I would say have a great tour guide like Esther, for sure. Because if
guys are sweet.
not, when you're someone like younger like me and not really know the culture and stuff, you learn a lot from her.
You guys have been a great team. There's Dad David getting ready to drink some vino. Grazie mille. Alfred, did you know that Etna is one of the few mountains in the world where you can see the sea from the mountain? Isn't that cool? I learned that from our friend Silvio.
Do you realize that she just did alliteration? She just said you can see the sea. Wowza! That's what you said.
I did. Let me tell you, it was really breathtaking to see the contrast up there in Etna during the winter. Just breathtaking.
One thing though, if you go up there this time of the year, bundle up. Number one.
For sure.
Check the weather.
For sure.
Number two, but have a good time. Number three.
Listen, not only in the winter, but in the spring and summer, it is just magical because every time you go up there, as I said, there's something different to see and experience. For sure. No hats and coats, though, in the summer, which is good.
I think when you come to here, to Sicily, either you should go up there if weather permits, or go around it if weather permits.
Etna Paesi, the little
the
Etna
small
villages.
little villages. One or the other. And you'll have a
Experience
photo
Etna.
up like you can't believe.
Right? Experience Etna.
Definitely.
Not only the foods, also the wine, and just visiting some of those Paesi Etnea is very special and unique. All right, let's go to Ortigia. One of my favorite piazzas in all of, not only Sicily, but also Italy. Arancini with the meat sauce And this one is with the eggplant, and what you do is you pick it up, literally pick it up and split it.
Just going in for it.
Go in
Go
for
in
it.
for it.
Going in for it. I'll go.
Bursting with cheese. Taco is in season. Purple cauliflower. And the fish caught right outside these waters. Ostriche. Swordfish is the official fish of Sicily. Look at these pieces over here. Giorno. What in the heck are these fish called? Like, this one is big. Anyone recognize these fish? Recognize any of these?
Minnesota.
Minnesota. Are you guys from Minnesota? Wow. Syracuse.
Like Angelo.
This guy is such a character. He's here every single day.
Lei parla italiano, vero?
Scendo?
Sì, io sono
Tu come ti chiama?
Angelo Cappuccio.
Angelo Cappuccio. Grazie mille.
Sono venuto mio cugino.
These sun-dried tomatoes smell and look great, and when you bring them home,
garlic, basilico e full oil.
basta. E
Stop.
per quanto tempo?
Anche 2 anni stanno.
2 years. they're
Però
good for.
durano poco perché si mangiano.
Oh, because they're not going to last long because people eat them fast. This guy has the best collection of all types of spices. And here are the nuts from Etna, from Bronte, and here are the Avola nuts. Buongiorno. I told them this is the best spread ever. This is a big test. See, pizza. And we're having a pizza too. Your first scacciadelli, Sicilian. How does it feel, first of all? Smooth.
Crunchy on the outside,
Got the steam coming up.
soft on the inside.
And how about the sesame?
Phenomenal.
Delicioso.
Bravo.
What a great family. And I just want to say thank you to the Lewis family for choosing to come with us on some day tours.
And speaking of toursy, listen, we have a fabulous tour in June to the West Coast. In September, another fabulous tour to rustic Tuscany, not touristic Tuscany. And then in October, we have
A few spots.
a few spots left over here on the East Coast. We have a total of maybe 10, 12 spots left between the three of them. If you're planning on coming to Sicily, please let Esther know, as they say in Sicily, subito, right away.
Subido.
Oh, I have an announcement, Esther.
Oh.
I am very pleased to announce that the Sicilian Project is launching another class March the 23rd in Cani. How's that?
Bridget and Kelly are putting them together. We're so grateful for all of our teachers, for Stefania, Mariella, and Maria Paci, all doing a great job. So we appreciate all the work and dedication that they have given to the Sicilian Project.
We have 32 students signed up already. We're closing it at 40. There'll be 2 different groups. And if you watch the Sicilian Project Facebook page every week, Kelly, one of our instructors, will be posting, she's a great poster, she'll be posting action videos, so to speak, of that. If you'd like to make a donation to help us, pay for the expenses of this, just go to www.thesicilianproject.com and make a donation. The more we get, the more we can give. That's a good one. I like that.
Hey, thank you so much for spending this little time with us. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Of course, we're also on Facebook, but we love this community here on YouTube, so thank you.
Could I ask you one question?
Sure.
Did you sell out on the Trinacrias
No,
yet?
we still have some sterling silver Trinacrias, one of our best-selling products.
And
So
where are
definitely in the United States.
And what about the merchandise? The hats, the t-shirts, you can order them
Yeah,
right there, bump,
there.
you get them right away. Even
Aprons,
Sicilian project stuff, by the way.
mugs, all types of things.
So the weather today is a beautiful day, and we're just hoping that as the week goes on, 2 weeks go on, spring will finally sprung, I guess you could say.
It's getting there.
It's getting there. It really
I'll
is.
tell you, it didn't feel like it on Etna.
I have a semi-rhetorical thing for you to think about today. I was thinking about the anti-mafia journalist, his name is Pino Manacci from the West Coast, who certainly knows quite a bit about mafia. He's done it for, I don't know, 35 years or so. Well, he estimates that in Sicily, out of the 5.2 million people, there are no more than 5,000 mafiosi. Stop and think about that, okay, for 1 second. Yet, the perception worldwide is that the Sicilian mafia, that's the one thing that people associate. I mean, besides food and tourism and so forth, this mafia, okay? Not to, besmirch any of these great, quote-unquote, great movies, but movies like The Godfather or Bronx Tale or any of these other movies that have been out there really haven't helped the perception of Sicilians and Italians in general in the United States. People watch a mafia movie and they think things are bad. Things are corrupt. Everybody's mafiosi. However, I've been watching another genre of movies and studying it to juxtapose it against the mafia stuff. And I want to quickly just talk to you about the Lord of the Rings trilogy, the Harry Potter 7-episode movies of Harry Potter, and then the Star Wars. The three of them are all linked together by one good thing. It's the forces of good versus the forces of evil. Lord of the Rings, we had Frodo. You had the Dark Mordor. In Harry Potter, you had Harry Potter. You had Voldemort. You had Luke Skywalker, and you had the other guy, Darth Vader. Past, present, and future movies that have captivated kids, but kids and adults. Well, what have they taught you? What have they taught me is that the forces of good always conquer the forces of evil. But why don't we have that? Why do we have to romanticize, so to speak, this mafia stuff? Think about it and compare it to the movies I just talked to you about and tell me what you think.
On that note, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on another video of you, me, and Sicily. And by the way, if you like this video, you may also like the one that I'm going to point to right about here.
Grazie per tutti e sapere diga. Ciao ciao.